jumper! Oh, shit! Holy mother! Wally! Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Ow! 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 My leg! Oh god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I need to pull my trousers up! I got any yesterday! Come on, give me that Miley Cyrus luck, man! Give me that Miley Cyrus! Come on! Who have we got? Oh shit! Come on, baby! No fucking way! Shit! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Boom! Oh, Ricardo! Ricardo! Thousand remaining. Anyone good? Anyone good? Anyone? No! What did I do? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! What? No! Fuck off! Fuck off! What are you fucking trying to do? Wait! No! Are you sure you want to? No! Oh my god! Yeah! What the fuck? Stop it! Fuck's sake! Stop trying to fuck with me! Stop trying to fuck with me! Yes! I've done it! I don't even give a shit anymore! It is done! What the fuck? Why do I keep forgetting info Donovan?
Hit me with a good player, please.
Oh my god! Hold the phone! Hold your fucking vagina! I just got Inform Milner!
Please, please.
No! 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 I did not fucking get you! I did not fucking get you! Oh my fucking god! No, I'm in shock. No. Oh my god, it's not a dream! It's not a fucking dream! It's not a fucking dream! There's no way! There's no way! There's no way! Yo, I'm calling my mom. I'm calling my mom.
Hello?
Mom?
Hello?
Mom?
Yes?
I have something to tell you.
Oh, okay. How are you?
I'm good.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I just need to tell you something, alright?
Say it.
Are you sure you're prepared for this?
Why? Is Shauna pregnant?
No, what?
When you said, are you prepared for
what?
this?
No, just... Are you ready for this?
Are you alright? Yeah, I'm okay. Say whatever you want to say.
You sure you're prepared for this, Mom? Like,
What?
this is huge.
It's serious.
This
Huge.
is seriously huge.
What's the matter? What's gone wrong?
Alright, is anyone around you?
What do you mean? Is anyone
is
around
anyone,
me?
like, next to you?
Do you want me to involve your dad?
No.
or-
Not yet.
Okay, no, there's no one around me.
It's not around you. Alright. Are you listening?
I'm listening.
I got hazard.
Hazard.
I got hazard, Mum.
What does that mean?
I got hazard.
You've got hazard.
Yeah, I got hazard.
Yeah, but what does it mean?
Yeah, I got hazard, Mum.
You've got hazard.
I've got hazard.
You've got a hazard.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what does it mean?
That means I've got hazard.
Oh, you've got a hazard.
I've got a hazard. The ultimate team player.
Oh, the ultimate team player.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, well, what am I supposed to say then?
Congratulate me at
Oh,
least.
congratulations, darling. Is that why you just called me? I thought you called me to say hello.
No, I just wanted to tell you I got hazard.
Okay. Do you want to talk to Daddy about it?
No,
then?
no, it's
okay.
it's too
Okay,
late.
congratulations. Congratulations. I'm really happy for you, darling. Okay?
What's that?
He said he got hazard.
Hazard!
Yeah.
Hazard!
Yeah.
No, he's a lie. He's lying.
He's
lying.
Daddy said you're lying.
Hazard! Your
Yes.
brother's got hazard.
Yeah.
Your brother's got hazard.
He's got hazard.
Hazard.
On the cover. Keeper.
Ah! My son's got hazard!
Mum, let's stop this. Okay.
Pardon?
No, you're just taking the piss now.
I can't believe it. These packs are. Ah! 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 Yes! Yes! Buzzard! Fucking hell! I'm gonna take it! You know what? Fuck it! I'm gonna take it! Fuck it! Yes! I don't. No fucking way! Come on! I don't give a shit! I don't give a shit, nigga!
Amen. Mr. RTM, I'm still gonna deal with a glove. Amen. Nah, pick a bitch at the hotel if she don't wanna fuck. Amen.
Climax! Baka! Yes! Falco, mate! We got freaking Falco! Oh, finally! Holy penis! I have a penis! Alves has a penis! We all have penises! Unless you're a woman! But sometimes women have penises! The world is so confusing! Fucking worse! There's no fucking... Ah! Neymar! Fucking more! Neymar! Come on, oh. Ah, the referee! Ah, my voice! No, hey! Holy shit! Shit! I just won! I can't even put on my fucking shirt! Boom! Yo, give me some explosions! Jesus! I'm Michael Bay, motherfucker! There we fucking go! Yo! I've completed it! Maybe someone can... Oh my god! I saw Neymar! Neymar! Oh yes! Suck on that, bitches! God damn! Come on! Holy shit! I'm just getting back! I'm just...
got fucking Neymar.
Yeah.
I got fucking Neymar.
Neymar!
I got
Yes!
fucking.
Yes!
Oh my God!
Yes! Neymar!
Another walkout. Who we getting? Oh my God! For a second, I thought it was some shit wanker from Real Madrid, and then I saw Bale. Finally! Yes!
Get out the way, bitch, get out the way.
Oh, shit the fucking bed! Shit the fucking bed! Sit down in the fucking shit and call me a black man! Oh my God! I've never got a legend in my life! I've never got a legend in my life! Ah! I'm done! I'm fucking done! I'm fucking done! There we go! There we fucking go! There we go! A black player, a black card! We'll take that. Mate, that's a 6-up. Here we go! Here we go! Here we drop down! What? Give me 20! 1, 2, 3, 4! I can't do 20, I can't be asked! Oh, yes! What? No! Help, oh my God. Not again! It's happening again! It's fucking happening! I don't fucking believe it! I don't fucking believe it! No way! No! I have to call my mum. I have to fucking call my mum again. I have to call my mum! Oh, come on.
Oh. You're not scam. Is it a troll again?
No, it's not. Okay, okay, I've got something. Okay, Mum, are you sitting down?
I am sitting down, yes.
Okay. Stand up.
Why should I stand up?
Mum, just listen to me, please. Stand up.
Yeah, I'm standing up
Are
now.
you standing up? Okay.
Yeah.
You know the black chair?
What black chair?
The black chair in front. You know, in the living room, Mum. Come on.
Okay, yes, okay, yeah.
So
all the chairs are black.
Yeah. So walk towards the black chair, please.
Why should I walk towards the black chair?
Please, just walk towards the black chair, Mum.
Okay,
It's important.
Okay, all right, I'm doing it.
You know the original chair that you were in?
Yeah, yes.
I want you to sit back down.
You want me to sit back on that chair? Okay. I'm sitting back on?
All right.
On the original chair I sat on before.
Okay, cool. I've got something really important to tell you.
Then say it.
Mom. Okay.
You got someone pregnant.
Mom, no,
have you got someone pregnant?
Okay, you know the girl that I said that I slept with, she said she was on the pill.
What? She's pregnant.
She's actually on the pill, so nothing happened. But Mom, still, like, I've got something. I don't know.
Would you just spit it out and get me out of my misery?
I just need to breathe. One sec. Mom, she's not pregnant, okay?
Okay,
she was on the pill.
The Lord
Jesus.
for that.
All right, Mom, just listen. All right,
I'm listening.
Tell them to stop talking.
Me here.
Tell him to stop it.
Be quiet.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you just say it and get me out of my misery, please?
Mom, I'm very, very, very gay.
Oh, okay. There could be 2 meanings. You're gay that you're happy, right?
What? No.
Oh, you're gay. You're happy.
No, I meant gay as in homosexual.
Gay as in homosexual.
Mom, I like penis.
You like penis, so you.
You and your uncle will be going out together then.
No. That's disgusting. That's incest, okay?
So why have you?
Just listen to me, Mom. Listen to me. I'm serious, Mom. I'm gay as in happy, okay? But,
you're gay as in happy.
As in happy,
okay.
Yeah, okay.
But so it's not that you're gay as an homosexual.
No, I was kidding, all right?
Oh,
but this is serious, Mom. Okay?
What do you mean?
Mom, listen. Are you listening?
I am listening.
Okay.
Mum, I finally got it.
You finally got what?
The 4th Dragon Ball. I have a huge danger.
You have a huge danger.
I mean, I guess you could say that I'm in jeopardy right now.
Oh, so
okay?
you're panicking.
Kind of, yeah. Okay. I have these nuts.
You have what?
I have these nuts.
Bees nuts.
No, I have these nuts.
Bees nuts.
These nuts, yes. Mum, I have these nuts.
Okay, you've got these. Can you elaborate and explain it? What does it mean?
In other words, Mum, I have a hazard.
Oh, a hazard. Is that the footballer?
Yeah, I got a hazard.
Okay, you've got this, oh gosh, what is it? Because I remember you pranked me the last time.
Yeah, a hazard. A hazard.
It's the
I've got a hazard.
isn't it?
I've got a hazard.
When you say you've got a hazard, I know you've got a hazard. Is it a footballer, isn't it?
No, I've got a hazard.
Are you playing FIFA at the moment?
No, I've got a hazard. A hazard.
A hazard.
Also, I have chlamydia.